Hey guys, Tony Vlachos here and welcome to Dad Strong. Today I'm going to be talking about mistakes that we make over 40. As we get older, we start focusing on building our careers, building our families, trying to pay off whatever we're trying to pay off, and we kind of neglect ourselves in the process. So today I'm going to talk about mistakes that we're making over 40 that will have a negative impact and things that we can do to correct it. Number one is we're exercising, but we're not eating properly. And the two go hand in hand here, guys. You can't exercise and then go out and eat whatever you want. It doesn't work like that. Especially as we get older, our metabolism starts slowing down. It's really, really important that we eat proper. I believe personally that nutrition is more important, or not more important, but without nutrition, you can exercise all you want. You're not going to get the results that you want. So, exercise, but make sure that your nutrition is right. And what I mean by right is by avoiding, refined sugars and sugary snacks, which is a mistake that we make over 40, is that we're eating too much processed foods. We're eating too much refined snacks like sugary snacks, sugary drinks, and eating a lot of trans fats like deep fried foods. Now I get it; they taste amazing and they're easy, but we have to start avoiding those in order to seeing results when it comes to our bodies, and not only our bodies, just the way we feel, guys. When you're putting this stuff in your body, you're pretty much you're putting toxins in your body, and you're just not going to feel right. You're not going to feel you're not going to feel at that level, those energy levels that you're supposed to. So that's the second mistake that we're making. The third mistake is that we're not eating enough of the healthy snacks, the healthy fats, which are important, like avocados. We're not eating enough of those. We're not eating enough nuts, or fatty fishes. We're not eating enough chia seeds, grains, which are all so important for you. If you really want to indulge, have some dark chocolate, which is a great source of fat. So switch over from the negative processed foods and sugary snacks and start eating some more whole foods and high good fats. The next thing that we're not getting enough, or we're not doing, or mistake that we're doing, is we're not drinking enough water. It's so important, guys, that we drink water. I've been preaching it through pretty much every single video that I've been doing. We need 12 to 15 cups of water daily. It's so important. It lubricates your joints, guys. It'll give you that boost of energy that you need, and you won't feel dehydrated, so you won't be getting headaches. And you'll just have that energy level throughout the day. So avoid those sugary drinks like pops and other fruit juices that have so much sugar in there that will give you that initial boost, but I guarantee you that you'll come crashing down. So the fifth mistake that we're making is not getting enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is so crucial in regards to our energy levels. It reduces stress levels, and it also increases your testosterone levels, which will give you that energy. Vitamin D is so easy to get. If you during the winter months, you can take a supplement through a vitamin or a droplets, and you can put those easily in your mouth. And then in the summertime, if you choose not to take it, that's fine, because if you're outside and you're getting enough sun, go right ahead. But in the wintertime, I would say for 8 months out of the year, take a vitamin D supplement, and I guarantee you that you'll start seeing positive results from this. So the sixth mistake that we're making, and I don't understand how we're making this mistake, guys, because we're men, is that we're not having enough sex. So if you're in that boat, you know, try to get more sex out there, guys. You know, we need to take the time to connect with with our loved ones. Not having enough sex really can lead to heart disease, can lead to you know, other forms of diseases. There's no need for it. Like if you're have a significant other, like, you know, just try to connect and try to make that happen. You know, it's so important. And it's a mistake that we make, man. We're just neglecting connecting with others as we get older because we're just too busy or too stressed out. So let's get more sex out there, guys. So the seventh mistake is that we're all developing bad posture. You know, bad posture can lead to multiple problems down the road. Back pains, shoulder pains, headaches, jaw pains. So it's important that we kind of address it and fix the problem. If you haven't already checked out my YouTube video on how to fix bad posture, go right ahead and do that. It's probably be playing up in the next video coming up. So you know, it's important that we address this problem because you know, it's becoming more and more of a problem as time goes by, just because of the career changes and how careers nowadays are mostly in front of a computer, where we're spending, you know, 8 hours slouched over a keyboard or a laptop, and then we're slouched on a couch or slouched over in front of our phones, looking down at phones. So you know, try correcting bad posture by doing stretches that focus on the inactive back muscles and the overactive chest muscles. So you can check that out on my video coming up next. So the eighth mistake that we're making, guys, is that we're not stretching enough. Stretching is so crucial. It alleviates joint pains. It you know, it decreases potential back problems that you may have down the road. By being flexible, you're going to be more mobile. You're going to have quicker reaction times. So you know, basic stretches that you can do on a daily basis before your workout to warm up, or even after your workout to cool down, is so important. So, and the final mistake that we're making, guys, which is a huge problem, which can lead to problems down the road, is that we're on our phones before we go to bed. You know, there's so many negative effects to that. You know, that blue light that comes out is it's a stimulant. So you being on your phone right before you go to bed, it's gonna just keep your mind racing, and you won't be able to unwind and get the proper sleep that you need in order to function for the next day. You know, sleep is another video that I've done in how we need proper sleep. So you know, the importance of sleep it's crucial, guys. We need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep daily. If you're not getting that, you're probably seeing decreased testosterone levels. So you're going to be you know, less energetic. You're going to have more fatigue. You're not going to be able to concentrate more. So it's crucial that we kind of put the phones away you know, an hour before, guys. It's not that hard, man. Just, you know, read a book, journal, do something else, you know, to get you off that you know, off that phone. Have more sex, you know, like, you know, there's one thing that we can do, you know, instead of being on your phone, you know, connect with your significant other. You know, so these are our mistakes, guys, that we've been making as we get older, as we get more busier, as we you know, focus on other things other than ourselves, which we shouldn't be doing, but unfortunately we are. And that's the reason why I am here. You know, I just want to keep spreading this word out to you guys, that it's so important that we take care of ourselves. It's so important that we take care of our mind and our body, so we can turn it around and we can spread that love, that energy, and that well-being to our significant others, our kids, and the people that we love. So, you know, let's try to avoid these mistakes that I just said, and keep pushing forward with the Dad Strong mentality of keeping a strong mind and a strong body, guys. And I'll talk to you soon. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. You know, join us on our Facebook group, Dad Strong. You know, you know, also, you know, check out our Instagram channel, Dad Strong Life. You know, where we post, like, you know, there's more videos that I'll be posting out there in regards to this. So once again, guys, thank you.